Hello everyone, my name is Mika and welcome to the second episode of the Kakanin series video recipe of Miguelitos. There's only 2 main ingredients for this recipe. 2.5 cups of water and the Miguelitos instant Kutsinta mix. And for the toppings, you may opt for grated coconuts or yema. Dissolve 1 pack of Miguelitos instant Kutsinta. Mix well until well dissolved. Strain it to another mixing bowl. You can transfer the mixture to a squeeze bottle to make it easier. Pour mixture into the molders and steam for 30 to 45 minutes. Make sure to cool it down for 5 to 10 minutes before removing it to the molder. At para sa mga business-minded dyan, this is the perfect time to earn your extra income in the comfort of your home. So try nyo na! Miguelitos Kutsinta mix is only 95 pesos and you can make around 25 Kutsinta and sell it for 75 to 100 pesos per pack. For orders, visit our official Facebook page and we are also available in Lazada and Shopee. And to be updated for more video recipes of Miguelitos, don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe. Miguelitos, ang best partner mo sa negosyo.